Hello, my name is Furry Taylor. Despite my title, the alien invaders I'm talking about aren't green, don't seek refuge in logic, or are from a galaxy far, far away. On December 2nd, Dr. Ott, a German astrophysicist, gave a lecture here at Georgia Tech talking about cosmic rays, or in other words, our alien invaders. Cosmic rays were first discovered by Victor Hess in 1912 during a balloon experiment where he measured increased levels of radiation as he approached our atmosphere. His discovery of this form of radiation earned him the Nobel Prize in 1936. But what are cosmic rays? How do they impact our daily lives? And what do they tell us about our world? All of these questions and more I hope to answer during this video. So kick back, relax, and enjoy the show. What exactly is a cosmic ray? Well, Merriam-Webster Dictionary defines a cosmic ray as a highly energetic atomic nucleus or other particle traveling through space at a speed approaching that of light. No, I'm not talking about light speed like you're aboard the Millennium Falcon. I'm talking about some form of radiation that travels through space and has the ability to penetrate through matter. So there are many different types of applications for cosmic rays that Dr. Ott talked about during his lecture. The ones that he described were that they contribute to natural radioactivity, they assist in radioactive dating or carbon dating used with various types of isotopes, they affect the functionality of highly integrated electronics, so things like cell phones or other types of devices that utilize highly integrated networks. And lastly, they're possible seeds for lightning, so the streaks that we're able to see in the night sky, or what we call a bolt of lightning, can also be attributed to cosmic rays. So we know what cosmic rays are and some of the ways that they influence our environment on Earth, but how do we detect these alien invaders as they enter our atmosphere? During Dr. Ott's presentation, he presented a simulation of how cosmic rays enter Earth's atmosphere and ultimately come to the Earth's surface. As the particle traveled through the atmosphere, we observed the energy of the ray that was broken down into subatomic particles decreased. Interestingly enough, these subatomic particles that comprise these rays interact with matter by traveling to the Earth's surface, even permeating through solid surfaces. On the Earth's surface, we possess detectors at observatories such as the Pierre Auger Observatory located in Austria. These observatories attempt to answer the question many astrophysicists worldwide want to understand: where do these cosmic rays originate from? Some of the ways that we detect cosmic radiation is through using neutrinos. In a November issue of Science magazine, it was determined that cosmic rays emit neutrinos. This is a good method to use as neutrinos have little mass with no charge and provide a way to be absorbed by detectors, thus providing a method to trace the origin of cosmic rays. Another method is through using gamma rays to determine origin. No, I'm not talking about the Incredible Hulk, but there are satellites that detect gamma rays, which at times are synonymous with cosmic rays, to provide an additional method to determine the origin of cosmic rays. Although these methods exist, astrophysicists are trying to collect more data on how to determine the origin of cosmic rays. One piece of information that I found very interesting was the Cherkonov telescope array, a project slated to hopefully be finished by 2016 to allow larger collections of data over larger areas. Being that I knew a little about how cosmic radiation is detected, which I assume was through the exciting of particles, I imagine that if multiple telescopes and detectors collected data on a large scale, the results could truly be educating and lead to greater understanding of the origin of cosmic rays. The lecture presented by Dr. Ott was interesting to me because of the characterization of cosmic rays as being alien invaders. Also, it is a field that still has room for discovery. Things like the origins of cosmic rays, their impact on the Earth and our environment, and simply why they exist in our universe are all questions that astrophysicists like Dr. Ott researched with undergraduate researchers as well as other astrophysicists. As an avid superhero reader, many of the stories from the Silver Surfer to Thanos to even Superman talk about the galactic phenomenon as being the source of their strength or superhuman abilities. Being able to attend a talk that helps us understand the physics of galactic phenomenon and radiation tied very well into our coursework about sources and energy densities of electromagnetic radiation and detection, as well as fed my curiosity to ponder questions about the origins of these alien invaders that impact our daily lives. In conclusion, I greatly enjoyed Dr. Ott's talk. His coverage of what cosmic rays are, how they impact our daily lives, and what astrophysicists are doing to determine the origin of these galactic phenomena were truly captivating and it greatly piqued my curiosity. I greatly enjoyed the opportunity to make this video, and I hope you learned a lot as well as chuckled a little bit along the way. I hope that it was a great learning experience, and I hope that something out of this grasped your attention as it grasped mine. Thank you.